Come test drive the 2012 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, navigation system, dual airbags, panoramic sunroof, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.